Morning, sir.
Good morning, Nivan.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir,
Yes,
what you will teach us today?
we are learning checking the king, right? How to give the check. Okay, last time we learned how
That
to
is
give the
over now. In the last week, you teach us check.
right. So once you get the check, how to get out of check, right? So there are different methods or various ways that we saw, right? When you are under check, what we do, we either capture who is attacking, right?
Yes.
Or we bring something in between, right?
Yes.
Or what is the third way? How to get out of check?
We go to safe square.
Right. We go to safe square. So these are the three different ways we saw when any.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So
How are you, sir?
I'm good, dear. Thank you. How are you all?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. Okay, so kids, I was discussing like what we learned last time. We talked about the checking the king, right? Checking the king and checkmate, right? We talked about checkmate as well, right? So when you give check to the king, okay, and when you are trying to come out of check, okay, there are three ways you can come out of check. One is you can capture the attacker. Second one is you bring something in between. Third thing is you move to the safe square. And when all these three things does not happen, okay, when you are not able to do any of these three things, the king is called as checkmated, right?
Yes.
Any questions so far in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Is
Sir,
Rihan,
I cannot
Rihan
see a
connected?
key.
Is Rihan connected? Okay, it seems he is having some issues. But anyways, we will start. By the time he gets connected, let me share my screen. Okay, we were taking this example, right?
Teacher, I
Yes.
cannot see you.
Yes, hold on. Let me share the screen, yeah? Okay, kids, you can see the screen now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so last time we were checking one example where when you have check, how to come out of it, right? So today we will see another example, getting the king out of check by capture. Okay, now look at this board position. Can you see this?
So it
Yes, sir.
for what it's too big. Now it's small.
Right. Okay, now see how is this. Okay, so now is there a check? Can you see
Yes.
who is giving
Yes.
check to whom?
White queen is giving check to black king.
White king is giving, white queen is giving check to the black king, right? Now
Yes.
how to come out of this check? We saw
We will
three
capture the
different,
queen.
right? So who will capture the queen?
Knight.
This knight, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let me do one thing. Okay, let me put the same board actually here. Just give me a second, kids. Okay, what we are doing is we are giving check from here, not here actually, this place. Yeah, then there is knight, there is king. Okay, there is a rook here, king. I'm just putting this position, same position. Okay, so that you get idea.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. You have got your queen here as well as pawn. There is white pawn this side, and then these three pawns are there, right? There is another pawn here. Okay, cool. Now perfect. Okay, so this is the board position we have. Yeah, this is the board position we have. Okay, now you said that you will capture the queen, right? Who will capture? The knight will capture, right? Correct?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
1, 2, 2.5. Knight captured the queen. Okay, knight has captured the queen. Okay, and now see the magic. White is giving check from here. What is it now?
Check and mate.
Check and mate, right?
Yes.
So in this case, now pay attention again, kids. Okay, now in this case you saw queen was giving check. Okay, is there any other way? Actually, see, now we saw that when you captured the queen who is attacking, there is a checkmate happening, right? From here. So is there any other way you can think of getting rid of this check?
Sir, you can move the king to a safe square. No, there is no safe square.
Is there any safe square?
No, sir.
Can we come here? No, because of the queen as well as bishop. You cannot come here. Okay, can you bring something in between? No, you cannot.
No, sir.
Okay, although there are so many pieces, you can see there is rook, there is bishop, there is knight, there is queen. Okay, as compared to white, black is plus. Can you count? See, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 9, 20 plus 5, 25. Total 25 value is there of pieces, right? And white has got 9 plus 5, 14 plus 3, 17, 20, 24. Okay, so black is better, right? From that perspective, but this is called as the value, actually relative value of the pieces. Okay, but now if you look at from board position, black king is under check. Okay, has the black king castled? Can you see from the board? No.
No.
Okay, so because it is not castled, it is under risk, it is under attack. Okay, that, so you understood what is the importance of castling. Now in case of white, you see it is castled. Okay, long castling is done here. So it is less risky. Now when we capture this, the check is coming, and it's a checkmate. Again, you cannot capture it because it is supported by knight, supported by bishop, and you cannot come here because check is coming. Okay, so all the three rules again. Now the king is under check. You cannot bring something in between because it is in the immediate square, right? You cannot capture the attacker because it is protected, and you cannot move to the safe square. Okay, so if all these three conditions are false, it's not happening, anything of this not happening, what happens? It is called as checkmate. Clear?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
The cream is so big.
Right. Now see another example here. Okay,
Teacher,
we are talking checkmate.
now it's small.
Yeah, Nivan, I am changing it actually so that it is clear to everybody. Okay, now see, board is clear. Yes,
Yes,
Rihan.
sir.
Rihan, any question?
कुछ क्वेश्चन है तुम्हारा रिहान? तो बोलो
Okay.
नो सर.
Chalo.
sir.
Okay, okay. Then pay attention to the screen. Okay. Now see, again, who is giving check to whom here in this board position?
Queen. Queen.
White queen giving check to the black king. Okay. Now if you look at, there is entire army. Can you see? Both rooks are there, both knights are there, both bishops are there, queen is there. All 8 out of 8, 7 pawns are there, right? Okay.
Yes.
But still the king is checkmated. Can you see? Is it a checkmate or not?
Yeah. If enter.
Simple checkmate, right? Now see, you cannot bring something in between. Can any of these pieces come here? No. Can the pawn come here?
No.
No, pawn goes straight, right? While capturing it goes diagonal, right? Now because of this, you cannot capture the attacker. Okay, you cannot bring something in between. And is there a safe place for the king? Can king go anywhere? It cannot go
No.
here, it cannot go here, it cannot go here, it cannot go here, right?
तो पीछे नहीं जा सकता.
पीछे जा सकता है रिहान, but then again there is a check, right? पीछे जाके भी क्या फायदा, right? आप पीछे चले भी जाओ तो क्वीन तो मारने वाली है आपको, right?
हाँ.
So this is called as checkmate. Okay. So
Yes,
we have already learned that when the king is under check, it has to remove the check by move, block, or
तो ये नहीं मार पाएगा क्या? मैंने पूछा, सर ने बोला था.
क्या हुआ रेहान, बोलो. एनी क्वेश्चन?
अरे मम्मी बोल रही थी कि मैं सर आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा था, मैं बोल रहा था आपको कि राजा पीछे जा सकता है तो भी क्वीन मारेगी।
Okay,
इसलिए
okay, good.
मम्मी को मैंने बोला।
Okay, okay, good question. ठीक है. So we already saw that when the king is under check, okay, it has to remove the check by 3 ways. One is blocking, another is moving, and third is capturing. Okay, capturing the attacker, blocking by bringing something in between, or third is moving the king to the safe square. However, if it cannot get out of check out of this situation, okay, so this situation is described or called as checkmate. Okay, and with checkmate the game is over. Okay,
Sir,
now white is
Sir?
giving checkmate. Okay, white is giving check and black is checkmated. That is, in this match or in this game, white wins the match and black loses the match. Okay, yes, Yashas, any question?
Sir, the queen is giving 3 checks. One to the king, one to the G7, one to the G7 pawn, and one to the C7 pawn.
Yes, so Yashas, that is called as queen is attacking at 3 different places. Okay, however, check is given only to the king. Okay, to these other pieces it is not called check. Okay, check is only given to the king by any piece. Yes, Nivan?
Sir, but we cannot attack the land both pawn because our value 9 will go from the queen and from the bishop.
Yeah, we cannot attack, right? We cannot attack on this queen, right?
Teacher, I didn't hit it. We cannot attack. He said that both landed line pawn. You cannot attack them. The bishop will attack. Queen will eat the
Right.
landed line pawn.
You are right. Yeah. So what he is saying, Yashas, these 2 pawns actually, as I said, actually the queen is attacking, okay, but you cannot capture it because this pawn is protected by queen and this pawn is protected by bishop. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, good observation, Nivan. Okay, so you guys understood the checkmate situation, the one that we saw in earlier puzzle. This is one of the checkmate situation. Okay, you can see the king is checked by rook. King cannot capture the rook because it is protected by bishop. Okay, and it cannot move to the safe square. It cannot bring something in between. Okay, so this is the checkmate situation. As well as in this example, now you can see although there is space in between, okay, there is a space. In earlier example there was no space at all because it was in the immediate squares. Okay, in this example it was immediate square, so you could not bring anything between. But in this example there is a space between, but unfortunately there is no any piece available which can come here. Okay, right, you cannot bring something in between, you cannot attack as well. Although there are so many pieces, entire board is there, entire army is available, only one pawn got captured. Okay, rest of the army is still available, but unfortunately because of this one wrong move, okay, the king moved actually, and that is the reason I keep on telling you should not move your king unless and until it is very much required. Okay,
Yes, sir.
another thing
Sir,
is,
instead of that, you should have brought the queen or bishop in front of the king to protect it.
right, so the king was moved here actually, it's not the thing that you get the check and then it has come out. Okay,
The king by itself moved.
Right. So sometimes you make this kind of moves, right? So this is just one example out of which, from which we can see, we can learn actually what is checkmate. Okay. So you understood what is it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me show another example to you for checkmate. So can we take another example? See, we saw that this is it. Okay. Let me bring something here. Okay, kids. Now see, this is another example of checkmate. Okay. However, this is just check. Okay. Now, what will you do actually if there is a check?
We brought the knight. Bring the knight.
Yes, you bring the knight here. Okay. When you bring the knight, so one of the thing that capture the attacker, you cannot capture it. Okay. So second option is block it by some piece. Yes, Nivan.
We will put the knight there. We will put the hook over the last square. Then
Right.
checkmate.
Right. Now you saved this check from bishop by bringing the knight here. Okay. But then again the threat is still there. This is a checkmate. Okay. So now see, hold on guys. Now see, when the check is there, you ask the question, can we capture the attacker?
No.
Yes. Who is asking? Yes, go ahead, Dia.
Doubt.
Yes, tell me.
तुम समझा कि नहीं समझा रियान?
The rook we put it near to the king. Knight can capture the rook.
Yes, that's the question I am asking. Okay, can the knight capture the rook?
But it don't have protection. It should be have a protection.
Yes, hold on, guys. Hold on. Nivan, हाँ बोलता हूँ रिहान. Yes, Nivan. Yes, Nivan.
The knight is blocked because we cannot move. But
Right.
there can be a check.
Right.
There is check.
Okay. नाइट कैप्चर नहीं कर सकता है इसको. ओके. क्यों नहीं कर सकता है? क्योंकि जैसे ही नाइट यहाँ से हिलेगा तो उसको चेक है. राइट.
Yes.
ओके. तो नाइट उसको कैप्चर नहीं कर सकता है. ओके. और अदर वे राउंड, सपोज यू गिव द चेक, आई कैप्चर्ड इट. ओके, you captured it, correct? This can also happen. Okay, and now I am giving check. Now is it a checkmate?
No.
Yes. Who is saying no? How can we save this
Yes.
check now? How can we save this checkmate?
Yes.
Correct.
We can go to E7.
E7. There is check diya, right? From bishop. Right. So king cannot go there, right? If there is a check on such places, king cannot go. Okay.
Move this bishop, then it can go there.
Right. If the bishop would not have been here, then it would have gone, right? So in this example, what we saw, the checkmate was done by your bishop. Okay. Actually by bishop, we gave it captured and then checkmate. Now let us see actually another example. Suppose this is here. Okay. Let me put. Now I am giving check from here. Okay. Now what can you do? Now the bishop is giving check.
Yes.
Can you capture it? No. Yes, Niva.
We will put the rook down, and then you will capture the rook and then check and mate.
Right. Now once the rook comes, we will capture it. Now capturing the rook by two ways. One is by bishop, another by rook. Okay. So what will you choose?
Bishop,
Bishop. Okay. Why bishop? Why not rook?
because
the
we will eat the rook, they will we check. We
Right.
will eat some bishop, then check and mate.
Right. Let me show. If you capture by rook, okay, what can happen? Now there is no check, right? Is there a check now?
No.
No. So black can make another move. For example, this one. Okay. What we did, we brought the pawn so that the attack which is coming from bishop, जो बिशप से अटैक आ रहा है उसको रोक दिया हमने, राइट? ब्लॉकिंग हो गया, राइट? वी ब्लॉक दैट अटैक. ओके. नाउ अभी जैसे ये मूव होता है, सपोज ऐसे मूव हुआ और इसको चेक दिया. ओके. नाउ कैन यू मूव टू द सेफ स्क्वायर? Yes, we can move either here. No, still not actually, but we can move here, right? Which is safe square. Is there a check coming on this square?
So we will eat the queen.
Yeah, you will capture the queen, but king is not checkmated, right? I just wanted to show you the example that what happens if you capture with the rook instead of bishop. Okay. If you are capturing this rook by rook, what happens? The king is not getting checkmated. Whereas now see, this was here.
The pawn are up.
If you capture it by bishop, now it's a checkmate, right?
Yes.
Correct? Can we capture this? No, it is protected by rook. ओके. इसको कैप्चर नहीं कर सकते रिहान, ओके, क्योंकि वो प्रोटेक्टेड है रुक से. ओके. यहाँ पे आ सकता है क्या किंग? नहीं आ सकता है क्योंकि चेक है. यहाँ से यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकता है, यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकता है, यहाँ पे भी नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि उसके खुद के पीसेस है. ओके. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज चेकमेट. एंड अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस? आपको जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है कि या तो रुक से मारो या फिर बिशप से मारो, तो पहले आपको सोचना है. ओके. डोंट प्ले इन हरी. जल्दबाजी में कुछ भी नहीं करना है. पहले आपको सोचना है अगर हम रुक से मारेंगे तो क्या होगा? चेक नहीं होगा. चेक नहीं होगा तो उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा, वो इसको ब्लॉक कर देगा और फिर किंग बच जाएगा. ठीक है. ओके. और उसके बाद में गेम का क्या होगा पता नहीं. गेम कैन टर्न इनटू एनी डायरेक्शन. बिकॉज अगर हम इसको लेते, सपोज यू कैप्चर्ड, ओके, प्लेड.
We don't have 9 value.
Right.
Because its attack is by
Right. Let us see. You captured this. Okay. Played this. Okay. Now the king is capturing the rook as well as the bishop. Okay. Now how will you protect both of them? What will you do? You have to lose one of them, right? If we continue this game, what will happen? So obviously you will save your rook, right? So suppose you brought your rook here, okay, and it captured. Now can you see It is close to equal. You have got one rook, he has got one rook. You have got one bishop, he has got one bishop. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pawns. Okay, versus there are 5 pawns. White is still better, but it is not that easy now. Okay, it will be difficult to checkmate the king now. Okay, but if you go back and see earlier moves, okay, when there was a situation like this, it was quite easy. Just one movement, game is finished, right? But instead of that, if you are capturing with rook, what will happen? It will go long and you don't know what will be the result. One mistake and you are gone, right? So in such situations, you need to think properly and check what is better move. Yes, Yashas?
But sir, if we bring the rook, if we bring the bishop from here till here, then the king can either capture the rook, the king can not capture the bishop, it can move to e7, or it can move to e7. That's not a checkmate.
Can you see this bishop?
Huh?
Can you see this bishop?
Oh, yes. It's a checkmate.
Yeah, that's what I am telling. See the board properly, kids. Okay. This is what happens in your actual games as well. Okay. You don't realize at the time of playing because you have not paid attention to the bishop which is sitting at h4. Okay. And in hurry, suppose if you play here, what will happen? What will you do if your opponent plays this? Yes, Nivan?
Sir, you'll call the arbiter.
Right.
It's a illegal move.
It is illegal. Okay, it is illegal. Okay, again gone back. Arbiter asks, you make the different move. Okay, so you suppose you played here. What will happen now? Again illegal.
Sir, it is illegal move again.
Okay. So understood the simple way to checkmate. Okay, the three questions that you ask: can I capture the attacker? Can I bring something in between? Can I move my king to the safe square? Okay, these are the 3 different ways to come or to bring your king out of check. Okay. See, kids, this is kind of repetition, but we are taking different examples. Okay. रिहान बाद में बात करोगे बेटा घर में. Please pay attention. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, Yashas.
Sir, in chessboard, right? Many times I have seen. Yes. Why should we not tell check when we give a check to the opponent? Or when we give a checkmate, we should not tell checkmate?
You don't need to actually. Okay, it's not a rule. However, if you tell, it is not illegal as well. Okay, but when you are giving check, okay, and if you tell to your opponent that it is under check, okay, will he make the mistake which you was making now?
No, sir.
No. So indirectly what happens if you yourself is telling your opponent, you are, I mean, wasting your chances or losing your chances of winning. Okay, because you yourself stopping your opponent from making the mistakes. You are not supposed to do that. Okay.
But sir, why is it an illegal move when any piece or king captures the king? Why is it an illegal move? Why can't any piece capture the king? Why only with check and checkmate?
It's a rule actually. Okay, say for example, somebody comes to the king. Okay, or to the important person, any of the important person. Okay, say for example thieves, okay, robbers, they come, okay, they show you the gun, okay, they ask you, give me the say golden chain that you have, otherwise I will kill you. Okay, just example. Okay, now if he gives the golden chain, do you think the person robber should still shoot him? No, because whatever he asked for, he got it. Okay, similarly in the old time wars, when the enemy attacks the king, okay, and king accepts that I surrender, okay, I surrender, and still if you are capturing, is it ethical? It is not, right? He already accepted that I lost. Now you tell me what should I do? So you should not kill or capture that king, right? That is the reason from the old wars actually this concept came. Okay, if you look at the chess history, okay, and that is the reason capturing the king is illegal. Understood? So in short, it is a rule. That's it. If you ask me, sir, why can we not capture the king? Because it is stated in the rules that you should not capture, hence you should not. Okay. But historically,
Yes,
if you look at, it is unethical to capture if somebody surrenders, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question, kids?
Sir, sir, but I want to tell you something. In when we play chess and laptops and all, we can take as many queens as we want. But in real chess, we can't do that. In real chess, also they should have given other pieces, right? So that when the pawn goes in the square, they can promote it.
You can do it in real chess as well, yes, okay. So
But sir, we
at
don't
home,
have
hold
any
on,
extra
let me finish, okay. At home, when you are playing, you have got only one chessboard, right? But when you are in the tournament, there are hundreds of players, okay, and there are hundreds of chessboards available, okay. Now if you raise the hand and ask the arbiter, sir, I want one more queen, he will take it from other board which is idle, okay, which is empty, nobody is playing on that. He will take that queen and give it to you. You again raise after some time, sir, I need another queen. He will bring 8 more queens from 8 different boards and give it to you. Okay, so it is not, don't make assumptions that we cannot do in the real chess. Okay,
Okay.
all the applications or softwares that you are using, okay, those are developed by applying the rules which are actually applicable in the real game. Okay,
But sir, in real games we can castle, right? But when we play it on software, why can't we castle?
you can, the rules
In
that
software where we play.
the rules that I told you, okay, if you follow all those rules, you can do the castling. But if you are not following those rules, then the software will not allow you to do castle.
No, I follow all those rules, but still it shows you can't.
Maybe you can show me the example actually sometime later, or let me know, send me the screenshot. I will answer what is going wrong, where it's exactly you are going wrong. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but just remember, so any kind of application or software which is developed, okay, it is developed using the actual rules which we have to follow. Okay, and computer never makes mistakes unless and until the programming which is done is wrong. Okay, so don't assume like that. And as I suggested all of you, as far as possible, try to play over the board game instead of playing online or with computer. If you have choice, you can definitely go for the over the board games. Okay. Okay, so to summarize, kids, we talked about check, we talked about checking the king, we talked about checkmating the king. Also, we talked about when you get the check, how to get out of the check. Okay, so all these things, hope,
Class is going to finish.
yes, it is going to finish. We will stop here for today. Okay, so this is what all about check and checkmate. If you have any questions, feel free to send me those questions. I am happy to answer those. Okay, or tomorrow you can ask.
Sure.